When I realized I was starting over, I asked myself one question. What am I going to do with my life next? Now, I know I'm not the only one that's asked that question. But there's a very important question that we have to ask before we even get into any of that. And that's, how big would I dream if I knew I couldn't fail? I told myself, you're too old, dude, to start it now. You're too old, or that takes money. You ain't got enough money to do that. Or I don't look the part. And that's just internal, right? Then you have all the external factors from outside people, your friends, your family, telling you their feelings and how they feel. But here's the thing. The quickest way to kill a big dream is to tell it to a small-minded person. And sometimes that small-minded person is you.
If you're loving the content and you'd like to support the channel, the simplest ways to do so are linked below. No pressure at all. I just want to keep this space open.
Now hear me out. I'm not saying go quit your job. Hey, drop everything you're doing right now, quit your job. I'm not saying that. And I'm not saying empty your life savings so you can go chase something tomorrow. But what I am saying is that allow yourself to be honest first. Once you know the dream, don't look at the top like I did and say to yourself, oh shit, like I gotta get all the way up there. Don't psych yourself out like that. Stand at the bottom of the mountain. Look at the smallest step you can take and ask yourself, what's the smallest step I can make if this were possible? Look, man, there's only two ways to kill a dream. Either you give up or you're not here anymore. But if you're still here, if you're watching this, still breathing, and maybe it's not too late. Maybe you just stop asking yourself honest questions.